Presenting your embroidery in a presentation hoop frame. Select your embroidery hoop frame. This one here we're using is just for presentation. Place the bottom half down on the table and your fabric face up on the table above that. Secure it with the upper part of your frame and so that tension is good throughout. Turn that over, taking your scissors, cut a small border of fabric around the frame of approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters. Then take your thread, this should be a double thread with a knot in the end, and perform a wide running stitch the whole way around. When you come to the end, use the running stitch to gather the excess fabric in towards the centre of the frame, giving you a nice tidy finish to the back of your embroidery. Knot this off and you should be done.